Hi there, freelancers. If you're stuck trying to finish your website, chances are you might be struggling to write your homepage. I'm Joanne Burek from WordBeats, and I write website copy for businesses, all kinds of businesses, including freelancer businesses. I have a formula, a simple formula for a homepage for a freelancer, and by the end of this video, you could be on your way to having a clear, easy to read, functional website that lets the readers know that they're in the right place and helps search engines understand what you're all about. Think of your website as a continuous open house on your business. It's your property, you own it, and it's on you to make it inviting and attracting the kinds of readers that you want to serve and quickly turning away the ones that you don't want to serve or you can't serve. And once you have the right visitors on your site, you want them to linger and find out what you're all about. If they get bored or confused, they're going to hit the back button and go look somewhere else. So if your website is your open house, think of your homepage as your great hall. It's not a welcome mat and it's not a curtain to pass through. And here I'm thinking about those artistic websites that open with an image and then you have to click through to get to the real stuff. No, your website is your welcome center. And what would be really welcoming here is a headline that says what you do and who you do it for. And if you make that your headline, then visitors who land here will know they're in the right place. And if they're not, they can quickly get out without wasting a lot of time. If you leave your headline vague or cute or too clever, then the accidental visitor is going to linger here too long, and then they'll hit the back button, and the algorithm will think that your website did not deliver it to its promise and therefore is not relevant for the keywords. Now, writing your headline could take a lot of thinking time if you let it. So don't waste time. Like, the best thing to do is just make it simple. Keep it simple. And you know, when you get up and you go do something else, then better words might come then. Next, flesh out that headline with a paragraph that expands on what you do. What problems do you solve? What do you bring the customer? What's unique about you? Is it your background or your qualifications or your method? And below that, then have your briefing. So think of each page on your site and what it's for. Now describe each page that you want your visitors to visit and explain how that, just describe the page and or explain how that page could help them, and provide links here. Like, don't make them jump back up to the navigation bar. Why you want to have this briefing is because when a reader clicks from the home page to another part of your website, that's search engine gold. And finally, on your home page, invite them to contact you. What if they have an urgent situation, or what if they want to hire you right away? So why would you stop them? Now, just like your great hall, your home page should be focused and free of clutter. So let's talk about what doesn't belong on your home page. Number one is hard selling. The home page is not a sales page. That's the job of a landing page or some other kind of page. If you had a visitor come into your business, you wouldn't rush up to them right away with the contract to sign. That never works on home pages either, and it's just as annoying. Number two is something that you see a lot, and that's trying to sell the customer on why they need the kind of services that you provide. This could be a little complicated to explain, so I'll use an example. Let's say you're an event photographer. Well, you don't have to tell the customer, that you don't have to tell the reader why they need to have an event photographer, because if they've arrived on your homepage, they're already looking for an event photographer. They know why they need it. They are just here because they're shopping around. However, if you want to write about why someone should hire an event photographer, go ahead and make that a separate page or a post, and then you could link to that. And by the way, having a page like that can give your prospects another way to find you, to get to your homepage. So, do you think that you can finish your homepage now that you know what to say and how to say it, and better yet, what not to say so that you're not wasting time trying to come up with the words? Well, then I'll leave you to get back to finishing your homepage. And before you go, though, check the links below for my parting gift, which is a guide to using fonts on your website. So now you can go finish your site and get back to living and enjoying your freelance life.